Hi, welcome back to my channel, Wren Country Sticks. Right, in part two of this hiking pole, at the end I said we'd made a drastic mistake and the dog was facing downwards. So I really don't like to leave it like that. So what we've done already, we've just marked up a level line there, and we're going to take the top of this antler off, remove all this antler from the carving, and then rehash this. So we've got a socket in there, and then re-glue that in place and see how that looks. We might have a bit of trouble with that being a bit short, but as I say, we'll have to see what happens when we've got all this antler off. So there you go. Poor planning on my part, but I was rushing the stick a bit because I don't have a lot of time these days to be doing sticks, so we're trying to get on a bit. So that's the next thing. We're going to take this off, rehash the notch and try and fit the dog back in and see how things line up. If we have a problem, then we might put another piece of buffalo horn or ram's horn on there as a spacer and make up the difference. So we'll know a bit more when we've taken that off. So back soon. Okay, so we've taken the dog off. We've got to clean this up now, and we've got to just redo some of the work we've already done. So that's, let's say, hopefully it'll be like that. So, back soon. Right, okay, here we are. So we've flattened that off, we've made a notch, or we've made a recess, clean that up. That's going to fit back in there. We're going to glue that up, clean all this area up. And I think before I do that, what I probably should do is paint the dog, because it'll be a lot easier to paint it like this without a bloody great big, excuse the language, stick waving around. So that's it for now. Just thought we'd do you a quick update on what we were going to do, because it looks a lot better that way, doesn't it? So we all make mistakes, and that's part of the learning curve. So there we go. So once we've got it painted, we'll be back, show you what's happened when it's been glued up. We'll clean the handle up a bit and clean the stick up. So we've got a ferrule to put on. Almost done. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hi, welcome back to my channel, Wren Country Sticks. Right, so we're carrying on with this antler walking stick or walking pole. So that's the dog painted up and glued in. That's solid. So all we've got to do now is just put a little bit of a drum sander on and just take these sharp edges off here, clean them up. And then if we touch the green base that we've painted, we'll just touch it with some paint. So it still needs a ferrule on the end. It's a good substantial shank, is that, it's chestnut, so lasts quite a while. I'm just wondering whether we should do any decoration on the shank or not. It's a bit plain. I don't know what to do with it really. There's any number of things we could do with it just to brighten it up a bit. So once we've thought of that, if there's any more development on this, we'll come back to you. So now what we're going to do is say we're just going to clean that up, and if we don't decorate the shank, we'll give everything a coat of varnish, say ferrule, and varnish the top, and that'll be it. That'll be ready for going on for sale. So thanks for watching. We've been very quick with these last 4 videos or so, but I think you get the idea. And thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. We've got more subscribers now. Can't tell you exactly how many we've got, but we keep getting 2 and 3 every week, so it builds up. Keep watching. The next stick I'm thinking of doing will be in a similar vein, but it won't be antler. It'll be, I'm thinking, some yew wood, so that'll be something to look forward to. Makes a nice stick. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again. Thanks, bye bye.